5 reasons to ditch your computer mouse and grab a vertical instead. If you're an office worker, your health may be more at risk than you think. Many computer users suffer from mouse arm, a condition caused by long-term work with a traditional computer mouse. It can cause pain in the arms, shoulders, and hands, and lead to constant fatigue. Switching from a regular to an ergonomic vertical mouse can be a game changer, because having this tiny tool on your desk could impact your quality of life. 1. It reduces the risk of wrist pain. Using a regular computer mouse too frequently causes extreme discomfort in muscles and leads to pain in the shoulder and forearm, according to a study. As time goes by, that pain gets stronger and harder to relieve. Medical experts recommend using an ergonomic mouse instead because it allows for the natural position of the hand. 2. It may reduce fatigue. When your workplace environment is uncomfortable, you might feel drained and exhausted after work. Doing repetitive tasks may lead to tiredness that doesn't go away when you sleep. Many models of vertical mouse place your hand at a 90 degrees angle in comparison to a normal mouse, which raises your wrist off the mouse pad. Being in this position reduces pain, relieves fatigue and helps you to be more productive at work. 3. It helps ease existing arm pain. Using a traditional computer mouse often causes problems as a result of the overstretching and straining of the arm. An ergonomic mouse can reduce pain and relieve pre-existing conditions. Because it is designed to properly support your hand, you can avoid an unnatural hand position when you use this mouse. 4. It may prevent future injuries. Working with a standard mouse requires you continually twist your wrist. Because your wrist isn't meant to go through intense strain for a whole day, it may cause long-term damage. When you use an ergonomic mouse, it puts your hand in a handshake position, helping to alleviate pain and prevent stress injuries. 5. It requires less strength to grip. Using a traditional mouse usually requires a power grip. An ergonomic vertical mouse has a smart design, which allows you to grip it without twisting your arm. Turning the mouse to meet your hand instead of turning your hand to grip the mouse removes strain on your arm and lets you use a more natural wrist motion.